Etemulo tisan nyesde raila pola kero otomano district alo moroto. Ido railo itetete letia kunita ya nede jaengoni lo rupa. Ido otomano itela kedo pengon le nyarita ilo kisle. Nyeside raine iboyo torate kirina rei ni mura rosi Karamoja. Nepeka iturukana lude jasa mota kipikanya nuda ikechi baren. Kwenyeda tionzi na ada ipolo nedo ikiniti tungalu. Nyeside ekadakada loda akipi. Ide moria dope gilo boni nepeka ibaren.
Tingita akurenga tunga kuui. Na akuranya tunga. Iya akurunage. Tingita kurang akipi. Akipi ada anu penu. Akipi ada anu penu.
Oto bakna achume ajok. Ya bagini ya bala tamata. Pointo ke uwa to. Krimito. Kenyamatan ni kwanga ber. Arabe na tani aja ber na manangit. Nangay ko gugor.
Ang chagini kaya tonga na kure. Ang chagini na wade. Pana berinya be ngadar. Ibuni eji to tar. Dongay ko gugoronin.
Apolo na icholo ngelo si wano tamano ichalo ngolo kana pum. Nyesida bale be awoni kisagi lono nuda lema jata tarekesi kere. Ido kwa nerangora lusta mayron nedo leta atomon. Anuda mota kipingunu nwela ete.
Makrong na akipi. Umurete ngbarana kanyetunga marta akipi. Itumo na patoko na. Ani amadete nyetunga akipi. Tagala na kaje akeja chuma. Kori kara ito yene ni aboko ginyo ini amadete ngbarana ngaite. Akipi. Akolongana. Ariori kona era ngakipi ay baradet. Era ngapata ay baradet. Kamuna etunga akipi.
Polo na icholo ngelo sisiri otomano temulo tisan. Nyesda bale be kededa mwanusuna kolongona. Amuna rideja utene chutere tunga wokse keda itukese mamene dumakina kipi. Abuda yataki ntebe ito na jore na ada jai tomano barracks ngon lokalo sikile. Epotulude nyo utum akalo na ada amame unotora kipi no apelo torkesa ijara nen.
Now actually in Kobebe and also Loxley. We have a lot of issues on water which the people are supposed to be drinking. You find the people, the army and the cattle keepers, they are drinking water. They are drinking water from the dam. We don't have bowels, and which is really something which is very risky for the health of the human beings. So you find our soldiers and the cattle keepers, they are drinking water from the dam, sharing with the animals. So this we have talked several times on the people who are in charge, like the water department, the district, to come and support us on the side of water. Like now in Loxley, the soldiers have decided to leave Loxley, to migrate, to leave that detached because of the water, because now they have become tired. The water they have been drinking with the animals, they are becoming really totally green.
Kwenyedo Edward Eko lerae district principal accountant nyesida balebe aporkesi tolosota imani mana gilo no district alo moroto kere ida porkese misikisi ebe kade polora mwanusnada kolong epotaki pine pum ijesa rosikwa abuda yata kintebe aporkeso remosi do kwa na reporter neja ele ya itino akipi otomano district tetere do kwa na itemono kino ngunu nuda pote muna unos.
It's important to note that during this period of time, we are aware that this is a time when Karamoja, as the water level goes down. So, but the crisis and the water officer is working with the various development partners like Itunga, and as already mentioned.
Godfred Eyoku, TV East, Moroto.